Meaning of lameness.
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 Lameness. The term lameness typically refers to a physical impairment or disability, particularly one that affects an animal's ability to walk or move normally. Lameness can be caused by a variety of factors, such as injury, disease, or structural abnormalities in the limbs or joints. In human context, lameness is often used as a metaphorical term to describe something that is inadequate or deficient, or as an insult to someone's physical ability or performance. However, it is important to be mindful of using language that may be hurtful or discriminatory towards people with disabilities.